Hello everybody! Today I have an exciting Amazon Cats vs. Pickle haul. Let's get into it. So I have the box right here next to me. It's pretty big. We're gonna do like what we normally do where we split it up into two videos. So let's hope we get some good ones today. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay. Oh my. There we go. There we go. One side. Two sides. Okay. Okay, so it comes in this box. This box looks a little different to me. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's open 3 of them now and see which ones we get. All right, let's go. All right, bag number 1. This is the Cats vs. Pickles chonk size. So if you don't know what a chonk is, it's a little bit bigger than the bean size. Okay. Oh my goodness, we got the bat! Okay. Okay. This is Edgar. Edgar chonk. Here's what he looks like from the back. Edgar. And then Nevermore. So I'm watching Wednesday, the new show on Netflix, and this is so relatable to the show, so I'm very excited to have this one. Okay. Edgar! Okay. Let's get the next one. Wow, we're off to such a good start. It's like we're only going down from here. Alright, wait, let me show you the paper. This is what they look like. So this is the Gold Wave Chonks. Wow, we're off to such a good start already. I'm like, alright, next bag. Goodness. Okay, I wanted this one. This is like an ice cream something. This is milkshake, smooth and creamy. Milkshake. Okay, let's go. Milkshake and Edgar. All right, last bag. Who's this? Okay, this is a pickle. Pickle right here. And this is Julius. Great leader and good with sandals. That's so funny. Okay, so those are the 3 we got today. Oh my goodness. Ah! Yay! I'm gonna pose real quick. Yay! Okay, so thank you so much for watching and for being here today. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, share some love, like the video of course. You can subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and you can also follow me on TikTok. And don't forget to have a great rest of your week. Bye!